Which country is given as an example of a parliamentary form of government? A. France. B. England. C. USA. D. Switzerland. The correct answer is B. England. Which of the following is not listed as a religion practiced in India? A. Confucianism. B. Sikhism. C. Zoroastrianism. D. Islam. The correct answer is A. Confucianism. Where is Appan Sami M advising? A. Periyar Government Arts College. B. Samyapuram GHS. C. Diet, Chennai. D. TNTB and Escape, DPI Campus, Chennai. The correct answer is D. TNTB and Escape, DPI Campus, Chennai. What happens when people are fixed in an image? A. Stereotypes are created. B. Opinions are varied. C. Laughter is reduced. D. Discrimination is eliminated. The correct answer is A. Stereotypes are created. Historically, what was the general perception of women compared to men? A. Weak. B. Stronger. C. More intelligent. D. More spiritual. The correct answer is A. Weak. What is the name of the bilateral trade relation declared by India? A. India to Bhutan. B. Thimphu Trade Link. C. Bharat to Himalaya. D. Bharat to Bhutan, B2B. The correct answer is D. Bharat to Bhutan, B2B. Which building was shown in pictures by the teacher that looked like a fort? A. Fort Street. George. B. India Gate. C. Parliament House. D. Red Fort. The correct answer is A. Fort Street. George. What is a direct reflection of a country's traditional values and national policies? A. Its interests in external affairs. B. Its internal economic structure. C. Its educational system. D. Its technological advancements. The correct answer is A. Its interests in external affairs. According to the 2011 census, which district had the lowest sex ratio? A. Kanyakumari. B. Dharmapuri. C. Chennai. D. The Nilgiris. The correct answer is B. Dharmapuri. What type of ties did Asia and France enjoy historically? A. Colonial relationships. B. Modern diplomatic relations. C. Medieval alliances. D. Prehistorical ties. The correct answer is D. Prehistorical ties. What is the definition of polity? A. A type of musical instrument. B. A type of currency. C. A system of government. D. A form of literature. The correct answer is C. A system of government. What ensures that there is some oversight in regulated markets? A. Competition among sellers. B. Consumer demand. C. Product availability. D. Appropriate authorities. The correct answer is D. Appropriate authorities. What does the Latin word civis mean? A. Member of a tribe. B. Ruler of a state. C. Foreigner. D. Resident of a city-state. The correct answer is D. Resident of a city-state. What does social equality mean for all citizens? A. Equal access to health care only. B. Equal political power only. C. Equal income levels. D. Equal status in society. The correct answer is D. Equal status in society. What specific group has been granted special reservation by preferential allotment of seats within the seats reserved for scheduled castes? A. Tamil medium students. B. Women. C. Differently abled persons. D. Arundhatyars. The correct answer is D. Arundhatyars. What is the headquarter of the central government? A. Kolkata. B. New Delhi. C. Mumbai. D. Chennai. The correct answer is B. New Delhi. How does the Election Commission treat all registered parties? A. It favors the national parties. B. It gives preference to ruling parties. C. It provides more facilities to state parties. D. It treats all parties equally. The correct answer is D. It treats all parties equally. What is one of the features of a federal government regarding its constitution? A. Flexible constitution. B. Oral constitution. C. Unwritten constitution. D. Written constitution. The correct answer is D. Written constitution. What is the necessity for the invention of money related to? A. Facilitating savings. B. Funding government projects. C. Increasing trade volume. D. Replacing the barter system. The correct answer is D. Replacing the barter system. Why is West Asia considered a region of considerable significance for India? A. Economically and strategically. B. Politically and socially. C. Culturally and artistically. D. Agriculturally and environmentally. The correct answer is A. Economically and strategically. What does the text describe as the main occupation in villages? A. Manufacturing. B. Shopkeeping. C. Raising livestock. D. Farming. The correct answer is D. Farming. Besides day-to-day happenings, what else does media expose? A. The strength and weakness of the government. B. Only the weakness of the government. C. Only the strength of the government. D. Financial reports of private companies. The correct answer is A. The strength and weakness of the government. What academic title is held by Dr. Koti Rajan? A. Assistant Professor. B. Lecturer. C. Professor. D. Senior Lecturer. The correct answer is A. Assistant Professor. Which article provides for the privileges of the governor? A. Article 361, 1. B. Article 356. C. Article 360. D. Article 355. The correct answer is A. Article 361, 1. The text states that the nest-building snake is the longest of which type of snakes? A. Tree snakes. B. Water snakes. C. Non-poisonous snakes. D. Poisonous snakes. The correct answer is D. Poisonous snakes. What type of products can be dealt with in a purely competitive market? A. Both homogeneous and differentiated products. B. Services only. C. Only differentiated products. D. Only homogeneous products. The correct answer is D. Only homogeneous products. What is the consequence of violating a mandatory traffic sign? A. Community service. B. An offense punishable by law. C. A warning letter. D. A fine. The correct answer is B. An offense punishable by law. T.K. Patamal is a famous singer of which music genre? A. Carnatic music. B. Western music. C. Hindustani music. D. Jazz music. The correct answer is A. Carnatic music. Freedom of expression and peaceful assembly are components of which type of rights? A. Economic rights. B. Social rights. C. Civil rights. D. Political rights. The correct answer is C. Civil rights. Where were Sadar Diwani Adalat and Sadar Nijamat Adalat established? A. Allahabad. B. Delhi. C. Mumbai. D. Kolkata. The correct answer is A. Allahabad. How did you score?